Hello friends, welcome to Code Crash Coding. In this video, we are going to learn some of the set operations. Now we have already learned the three classes which implement the set interface. Which are the three classes that implement the set interface? First one is HashSet, then we have LinkedHashSet and TreeSet. Now we are going to learn the set operations. First operation is union of sets. So to perform the union between two sets, we can use the add all method. So what does this union will do? It will combine the two sets. To understand how we can perform the union operations on two sets. So here I have a class called demo. Inside this class, I have two hash set. First one is set1, another one is set2. And inside this, I have added some values. So set1 contains three values, 1, 3 and 5. Set2 also contains three values. The values are 2, 3 and 5. And we are printing those two hash sets. Now let's run this code. So here you could see we are getting the output as 1, 3, 5, and for hash set 2 also 2, 3 and 5. Now we want to perform the union operations onto these two sets. So how to perform using add all method? Let's do that. So here we need to say the first set. So I will say a set1, which is our first set1, right? Then we need to make use of add all method. I will say here add all. So this is the method add all, and here you need to provide the another set2. So what this particular statement is doing, it is adding all the elements of set2 inside the set1. Now let's try to print set1. Let's run this code again. So this is our set1 135. This is our set2 235. Now we are performing the union operation on set1. So here the values inside the set1 are now 1, 3 and 5, and also 2 is added, right, which is from set2. And we know that duplicate elements are not stored inside the set. So that's why it's not adding the 3 and 5 for the second time. Now if I interchange the values here, let's say set2 dot add all set1. So this statement will add all the elements of set1 inside the set2. Now what will happen? 3 and 5 are already there. 3 and 5 are already there. Now 1 will also be getting added here. We are still printing here set1. Instead of this, we need to print set2, right? Because we are updating the values of set2 now. If I run this code, so we are getting here 1, 2, 3 and 5. So this was the union method. Now the second method is for the intersection of sets. So to perform the intersection between two sets, we can use the return all method. So what does this intersection mean? So intersection means it will identify the common elements of two sets, and that elements are called as intersection between two sets. To get the intersection for two sets, we need to make use of return all method. So here I will remove this statement. Let's say we want to say set2 dot return all, and we will say here set1. So this will print the common elements present inside the set2 and set1. Let's run this code. So here we are getting 3 and 5 because 3 and 5 are the common elements present for the two sets. So that's why we are getting here 3 and 5. So if I replace the values here, set1 dot return set2. So again the output will be same, right? Because we are having the same values which will be common in both the sets. So if I print here set1, then also we will get 3 and 5 because these are the intersection elements. So that was the use of two methods, add all method to get the union of sets and return all method to get the intersection of set. So in the next video, we will see more set operation methods. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topic in next video. Thank you for watching.